This is consonant blend FT. F says F. Say it with me. F. T says T. Say it with me. T. And it's going to be at the end of these words. Ready? Okay, let's tap and stretch. Raft. Tap and stretch again. Raft. Say it fast. Raft. Say it fast. Raft. Yeah, I love to bring my raft with me to the beach. Okay, let's tap and stretch our new word. Lift. Tap and stretch. Lift. Say it fast. Lift. Say it fast. Lift. Yes, I can lift a heavy weight. Okay, let's tap and stretch our new word. Sift. Tap and stretch. Sift. Say it fast. Sift. Say it fast. Sift. I sift all of the rocks out of the sand, right? Do you ever have a little sifter in your sand kit? Okay, let's tap and stretch. Loft. Tap and stretch. Loft. Say it fast. Loft. Say it fast. Loft. Yeah, my brother has a loft apartment in New York. Tap and stretch. Soft. Tap and stretch. Soft. Say it fast. Soft. Say it fast. Soft. Yeah. My teddy bear is so soft. Good job with consonant blend FT.